Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ngozi and the name of my channel is ngozeal. This channel is all about fertility, weight loss, health and beauty tips. If you are not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you know when next I upload another video. And to my returning subscribers, I want to tell you that I'm very grateful. You all are so amazing. Thank you so much for supporting me. So in today's video, I will be showing you a remedy to help you boost your egg. Have you been trying to conceive and it seems impossible, and you've gone to the hospital and the doctor said confirmed that you are okay, nothing is wrong with you, but the pregnancy is not forthcoming? So today I am going to show you what to do to help build your eggs. I mean, to help create that high fertility level for you. This video will help you to release a very viable egg. It's going to make it to be highly fertile. Sometimes we don't conceive not because something is wrong with us, but because probably the eggs we are releasing is not fertile enough. So but with this will help to boost your fertility. It might even help put out two or several eggs from your system. So in today's video, there is no much scientific evidence actually backing up this, treatment I'm going to prepare for you. But there are so many testimonies out there. There is so many of them going on. People that took this and they were able to conceive. They've been trying to conceive for a very long time, but nothing. But after they took this, things beginning to happen. They conceived, they carried to term, and they delivered a healthy baby. So I'm going to actually, I've not taken it before, unlike the other things that I used to do. I actually taken or I've seen someone taking, but I've seen people testifying. My own friend have taken it and she testified about it. So I'm going to also do it and I'll take it to testify. If you are looking for a child, you can take it. It's good for you to take it because it will help to boost your fertility. And if you are also planning to, get pregnant, you can also take it. It's not only for people looking for a child, or it's not only for people that are having problem conceiving. Even you that don't have problem conceiving, you can take it. Just to use it to boost your egg. So stay with me. I'm going to show you how to prepare this, and I'm also going to tell you when to take it and how long you're going to stay before you take it again, because you're not going to take it more often. It's not something you take it today, you take today and you take tomorrow. It's not something you take this week and next week you take again, or it's something you take this month and next month you take again. There's a particular way you take it. I'm going to tell you how to take it at the end of this video, and I'm also going to show you how to prepare it right now. So the first thing we'll be needing in this treatment will be we are going to need banana in this treatment. Banana is rich in potassium and vitamin B. Banana aids improving fertility. It does so by improving egg quality and regulating reproductive hormone. So we are going to be needing 2 fingers of banana, a very ripe one. You're going to make sure that your banana is very ripe because we're going to blend, and we wouldn't want I will want everything to be blended so smoothly. So the very first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to peel off my banana like this. Then the second one, we are going to be needing egg also in this treatment. Egg yolks supply almost all of the egg's iron, calcium, zinc, vitamin B6, folate, and vitamin B12. They also contain 100% the egg's vitamin A. Egg yolks from pasture-raised chickens are also extremely rich in fertility-boosting omega-3 fatty acid, EPA and DHA, and fat-soluble vitamin A, D, E, and vitamin K2. So we'll be needing 2 eggs in this treatment. So what we are going to do is that we are going to break the egg blender. Baking soda here will help to neutralize the acidity of your womb and make it very convenient, make the environment very convenient for spermatozoa to thrive on. So what we are going to be needing, this is a baby spoon. You can use 1 tablespoon if you want, but I prefer to use baby spoon. So I'm going to take just 1 spoon of baby. It's going to be like this. Don't put too much. Just like this. This is a baby spoon. I'm going to put like this into the mixture. So the next thing we are going to be needing in this treatment is milk. I'm going to be using Bonnet Rouge. Bonnet Rouge is more of natural and is sugar. In fact, it has 0% of sugar. That's why I like using Bonnet Rouge. If you cannot get Bonnet Rouge where you are, you can use peak milk or any milk that doesn't have sugar, that doesn't contain sugar, or it must. Actually, I'm using a cow milk here. Yeah, this is a cow milk product. So you can use any other cow milk product that doesn't have sugar. Cow milk increases level of insulin like growth factor 1 in your bloodstream. This compound plays a key role in the growth and development of your egg as it becomes an embryo and then your baby. This tends to increase rate of fertilization and reduces rate of miscarriage. I'm going to use 1 tin of milk like this. So I'm just going to open it. I'm not going to teach you how to open milk because everybody knows how to do that. So I'm going to put it into the blender with the other stuffs that I've added there. Please don't click off yet. You don't know how you're going to in fact you're going to drink it, but there is still something I'm going to tell you. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to blend this mixture. So I'm done blending and I'm going to take everything, whether it entered, the same, whether you were able to put inside cup. When you finish taking the one in the cup, you continue, you add the other one and finish it. So you take everything. As I've said before, I've never taken it before, so but I'm going to take it for the first time today. I want to taste. This is yummy. So why this one is difficult to take? Wow, this is yummy. So this is how you're going to take it. You are going to take it immediately your menses stops. If your menses stopped yesterday, you take it that yesterday. But if it did not stop in the morning, you take it the following day, early in the morning before food. Don't take it like you take it and you stay like 1 hour before food. Then you take it only once in 3 months. Please, because soda is not what you take all the time. After you take it this month and it didn't work for you, please don't take it again next month. I know it works. All the people that as long as you are okay, nothing is wrong with you, your womb is not blocked. Okay, I have a video about how to open up your blocked womb. You can check that one out. That one works even if it is blocked. Even if the test said, if the test result in the hospital says your womb is blocked, just go and take it. I am proud of what I do because I know that it works. That video is some. In fact, that video does not only unblock your womb. That video will take away any type of infection in your body. If you are still watching to this extent and you are not subscribed yet and you have this you found this video useful, please don't forget to do the needful. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you will get to know when I upload another video. And don't also forget to like this video. If you can share this video so that it will reach to people there, because I believe that there are some people out there that need this video. If you can share it so that it can reach to people that have not seen it, it can reach people that have not seen it, I'll be very grateful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.